90% of traders lose money, not because of strategy, not because of the market, but because of their own mind. Most people come into trading thinking they need a better system, more indicators, better entries. But the truth is, even with a perfect strategy, they still lose because trading is not a strategy game, it's a psychological game. Part 1. The Illusion. When you first start trading, you believe success is simple. Find a good setup, enter the trade, make money. It looks easy. But when real money is on the line, everything changes. Your heart starts beating faster. You hesitate. You doubt yourself. And suddenly, the strategy you trusted doesn't feel so certain anymore. This is where most traders begin to fail. Part 2. Fear. You see a perfect setup. Everything aligns, but you don't enter. Why? Because you're afraid to lose. You start thinking, what if this trade fails? What if I lose money again? So you wait, and then the trade moves. Without you, and it works perfectly. That's when regret hits you. Not because the market is unfair, but because fear controlled your decision. Part 3. Greed. Now let's talk about greed. You finally enter a trade, and this time, you're in profit. Everything is going your way, but instead of closing the trade, you want more. You think, it will go higher, just a little more. And then, the market reverses, slowly at first, then faster, until all your profit is gone, and maybe even more. That's greed, and it destroys more accounts than losses ever could. Part 4. Overtrading. One loss is normal, but most traders can't accept it, so they try to win it back immediately. Trade after trade, no patience, no plan, just emotion. This is called revenge trading, and it's one of the fastest ways to destroy your account, because now, you're not trading the market, you're fighting your own emotions. Part 5. Discipline. Real traders think differently. They don't chase the market, they don't force trades, they don't panic. They follow rules, even after a loss, even after a win. Because discipline is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent, doing the same thing again and again, no matter what happens. Trading is not about predicting the market, it's about controlling yourself, because the market will always move, but your success depends on how you react to it. If you can control your fear, control your greed, and stay disciplined, then you already have an edge over most traders. Because in the end, the biggest enemy in trading is not the market, it's you.